Let's put our hands together for our winner at rank 10. Mahindra Insurance Brokers Limited. This best workplace recognizes its managers for sharing helpful feedback. They have a quarterly feedback culture where any employee can nominate his or her reporting manager in I Got Helpful Feedback category.
Hello friends, at Mahindra Insurance Brokers Limited, we believe in a very simple philosophy of dream, dare and do. We co-create our dream with the help of our people and we collaborate together as a team to achieve that dream. Great Place to Work comes and helps us to assess independently and objectively and provides us very clear criteria of benchmarks and best practices from the industry on our culture. The culture which we build of high trust and high performance helps us to achieve that dream. So thank you, Great Place to Work, for being a partner in progress.
Moving on to rank 9, we have Sayaji Hotels Limited. This organization partnered with Impact App to launch a unique practice where all employees participating in the event can help raise funds by staying fit. This money is then used to help the society.
Hi, I'm Rauf Danani, Managing Director of Sayaji Hotels Limited. Culture is a backbone of a successful organization. We at Sayaji Parivar nurture talents and support career. Truly humble to be named amongst the best place to work 3 years in a row. Thank you very much.
Our next winner at rank 8 is BMC Software India Private Limited. This organization launched a My Happiness app for all its employees to understand the pulse of its people by employing a 10-second survey at periodic intervals. The rating scale ranges from I am unhappy to I am excited.
At BMC Software, employees always come first. That's also driven by one of our core values of prioritizing people. In India, we are focused on 3 things. First, build great technology. But not only build great technology, but also provide great technology to people to work on. The second is building great careers. Our learning programs, our growth opportunities that we provide both in India and outside are phenomenal. And the third, of having fun at work, which is very, very important, and wellness and focusing on our social responsibility. We are very proud of the culture that we've created. And I would like to thank Great Places to Work for their contribution over the last 5 years, by which we have been able to fine-tune and make our experiences to our employees that much more better, warmer and richer. Thank you very much.
Coming up next at rank 7 is Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. This best workplace has a unique initiative called Aaj Ka Prashan, where they send out weekly quiz mailers to all employees on current affairs, general knowledge and movies. At rank 6, we have Cisco Systems India Private Limited. Do we sometimes worry if we leave the organization, we might not have an opportunity to come back? Well, this organization has a structured program called Project Athena, which focuses on targeting diverse alumni for potential rehire.
It's an honor to be part of the Great Place to Work list of employers. And I was just wondering, what does it take to make a company great, right? Or a great place to work? And according to me, it kind of boils down to 3 things, right? People, product, and purpose. And I think best companies typically have the best people. That sounds simple, but this is probably the hardest part and needs the most attention. And most people think this is about finding the greatest talent and recruiting them. Well, it is not. It is about creating a culture of trust. It is about finding ways to match the employee's skills to the organization's needs. It is about allowing employees to make mistakes, figure out things out, to get good at things and solve problems without breaking their spirit and drive. And it's about rewarding and celebrating successes while encouraging their employees to stretch their skills and capabilities. I think on the product side, best companies have employees who take pride in what is produced, created, serviced, or designed. This is the area that continuously changes and is continuously in motion. Hence, this requires everyone on board to be united and to work together as one team to produce an excellent product, provide a valuable service, or create something of great value. Great companies know that challenging work is the best motivator for employees. And finally, purpose, right? Lastly, and probably the most important, great companies believe that what's right for society and for the planet is good for business. This is about having a positive impact on society, on the community, on people who are indirectly impacted or not impacted by the organization. So finally, at Cisco, we ensure that we look at all three of these dimensions and try to balance that to ensure that we can continue to get our shareholders and our stakeholders get the most out of it. Thank you very much.
Our next winner at rank 5 is Bajaj Finance Limited. This organization inspires its employees by sharing their values using storytelling in a play form. The play is centered around 4 of their anchors: hard work and drive, high on ambition, ownership, and execution rigor. Moving on to rank 4, we have Harrison's Malayalam Limited. Pride for this workplace stands for Performance Review for Individual Development Enabler. This tool was developed to ensure that each individual focuses on the vital few goals for the financial year, and it is linked to the overall goal of the organization.
HML has done it again, and this time with a thunder. With a trust score of 93, I believe HML has joined the league of top scorers. Last 6 years has been a very enjoyable and rewarding journey with GPW. We as an organization and our employees has benefited a lot through this successful journey. Great show.
Our next awardee at rank 3 is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. This best workplace nominates its well-deserving and performing employees for a leadership diversity and development program. In this program, the employees are paired up and one employee is termed as a leader and the other as an aspiring leader.
Ujjivan is a very purpose-driven organization. We find passion and commitment to everyday work that we do, and so do our employees. Our employees who work for us, they really find meaning in their work, and that is the reason why we feel that we have a very committed and motivated bunch of employees. We believe that by catering to the underserved and the unserved segments of the society, we are also doing our part in making sure that we bring about financial inclusion, and that is where our employees find the most amount of happiness when they see a purpose to their day-to-day work, and that's why we believe we continue to be a great place to work. When we participate in the Great Place to Work survey every year, it brings out a lot of things that our employees think about the organization. It gives us a chance to improve. It tells us a lot about the pulse of the organization, and also helps us in taking care of the little shortcomings that we might have had, and it just helps us improve all along.
Our next winner at rank 2 is DHL Express India Private Limited. This organization shares a Stay Connected kit to thank the candidates who reached the final round but did not get selected. These goodies help them stay connected with potential candidates who could not make the cut but can be considered for future positions.
Hello everyone. What is the one thing that stands out about DHL Express? For me, it is our people. They have repeatedly demonstrated the DHL attributes of speed, passion, teamwork, and can-do spirit. Our employees are insanely customer-centric and ensure that our customers get a best day every day. Today, DHL has carved out its own space in the industry and is setting new benchmarks. All of this is possible because of our best-in-class people practices, policies that encourage inclusiveness and diversity, a safety-first mindset, performance orientation, and a culture of continuous improvement. I want to express my gratitude to all the superstars of DHL who have voiced their opinion and once again rated us as a great place to work. Thank you.
And now for the #1 company to work for in the country. Please put your hands together for Intuit India. This organization continues to raise the bar in terms of the richness of experience that it offers to its employees. Their vast portfolio of people programs that are already best in class in terms of their concept and execution are further pushing the envelope by adding more unique and progressive elements.
Hi, it's truly an honor to be recognized as a great place to work. Our true north is our employees, and our endeavor is to create a culture where everybody at Intuit can bring their whole selves to work. And it is the employees who are helping us march towards our mission of powering prosperity around the world based on the AI-driven expert platform that's the foundation of all of our products. And it's the employees who create such resiliency in the entire ecosystem that allows us to be thriving even during this tremendous pandemic. Everybody has been incredibly flexible and creative in ensuring that productivity is still at its best. So thank you so much, a great place to work, for allowing us to have such an amazing experience in creating a culture that's truly actualizing Intuit's mission.